In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lightboxes or pop-ups in Wix. If you've ever wanted to grab your site's visitors' attention with those eye-catching pop-ups, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it together, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First off, you need to be logged into your Wix account and navigate to your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, and having your site opened in the editor is the first step to creating a lightbox. Once you're there, look for the Add Elements icon. It's usually a small plus sign on the left side of your screen. Click on it to unfold various elements you can incorporate into your website. Now, you want to focus on the Interactive section. Click on Interactive to get a subset of engaging elements. Here, you'll find different options, including our main feature, Lightboxes. Once you click on Lightboxes, a variety of pre-designed pop-ups will be presented to you. These are categorized by form and function, whether you need something for signups, promotions, or just a simple notification. Choose a design that suits the aesthetic of your site. After selecting a lightbox, you can manage it for further customization. Click on Manage Lightboxes, where you have the latitude to edit your lightbox title, duplicate existing settings, or remove any that you no longer need. This is where you define what exactly you want your pop-up to do. Moving forward, you'll come across the Set Triggers option. This is crucial because it determines when and how the lightbox appears. You can set triggers based on time spent on a page or actions like scrolling or clicking elements. It really helps in creating a tailored visitor experience. Next up is the Settings menu. Here you can configure the behavior and visibility of the lightbox. Think of this as a toolkit where you define whether your pop-up is responsive or static, and how it behaves across different pages. Also, explore the Layout option to tweak the position and size of your pop-up. Whether you want it centered, taking up the full screen, or popping up at the corner, it's all adjustable here to size. Then comes the Design segment. This is your chance to personalize the appearance of your lightbox. Customize the colors, fonts, and background to align with your overall site theme. Finally, don't forget about the Animation and Effects section. Here, you introduce motion to your pop-up, making its appearance and disappearance more dynamic and engaging. You can choose anything from made-ins to sliding motions, adding that final touch to captivate your audience's attention. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional and visually appealing lightbox on your Wix site, ready to interact with your visitors in just the way you envisioned. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!